So for the last 2 years, we've asked Carolina to bake my son's birthday cake. Last year was a very difficult ask. He asked for a crocodile, of all things. I thought this would be very challenging, but was delighted with the cake that Carolina produced. It was the highlight of the birthday. We had 20 children, amazed at the detail that went into the cake. We had a whole bunch of parents asking for Carolina's contacts. This year, another challenging ask. He asked for a bag of his favorite things, everything from a Bugatti card to an iPhone to slime. And Carolina again went above and beyond putting together a cake that demonstrated all Charlie's favorite things. And again, it was the highlight of the party. I can't recommend Carolina enough. She listens, she goes above and beyond. The effort is unbelievable. And we'll be back again next year to ask us to do it again.